Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Squad Busters game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Squad Busters game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken through the basic tutorials level. After you have completed these tutorial levels, you will gain access to the main menu, from which if you wish to sign up and create a new account, tap on the menu icon at the top right. You will then see the Connect ID button. Go ahead and click on it. And now you can sign up and create a Supercell ID. Click on Register Now if you don't already have an account, and then click on Continue to proceed forward with your email address. Type in your preferred email address that you wish to use to log into your account, and then click on the Register button. You will need to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. After you enter this verification code, you will be allowed to set up a password for your account. And once you are done with setting up your user ID and your password, you will be signed up and all of your progress will now be linked with your Supercell ID. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Squad Busters game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.